analysis after we of course bring you other stories. And the Council of Governors launched a financial management of course that is coming in from Anne Musungu in as far as that is concerned, and we have seen that the Council of Governors launched a financial management that is manual to improve health unit operations and resolve funding issues hindering quality health care. The Permanent Secretary Mary Muthoni stressed the importance of social health authority registration for better access and accountability. While Chair, of course, Ahmed Abdullahi called for timely payments to community health promoters, crucial for advancing universal health coverage.
The Council of Governors, led by Chair Ahmed Abdullahi, unveiled a financial management manual to enhance health unit operations. Abdullahi emphasized its importance in addressing poor fund management, a key obstacle to delivering quality healthcare services nationwide.
We are alive to the fact that the ongoing UHC reforms have drastically redefined how healthcare is to be provided and introduced radical changes. We are also cognizant that hospitals are now being audited as independent spending units. This means those units must have systems and capacity to manage resources and deliver healthcare services to the people.
We'll ensure now counties are able to mobilize and increase domestic resources for health. And further, it will catalyze quality of care provided as it unlocks public health facility competitiveness and performance.
The Permanent Secretary for Public Health, Mary Muthoni, also called for public registration in the Social Health Authority, SHA, underscoring the government's commitment to improving healthcare access and financial accountability in the sector.
It's important to note that dialing *147# will take you to the Social Health Authority, and you will be granted services at any health facility in this country. It is important to note, where else the functions in health are devolved, I'm calling out on the leadership of the counties to communicate effectively to the health facilities to ensure that nobody is returned home without being taken care of.
This also comes as Ahmed Abdullahi called for timely payment for community health promoters, CHPs, as they play a big part in the implementation of the universal healthcare coverage.
The issue of the CHPs, the people who run around in the villages trying to register us for SHA are the CHPs. P.S. The national government has not kept their part of the bargain with respect to the stipends.
Anne Musungu, KTN News, Nairobi.
Members of the Kericho County Assembly, MCAs, impeached Deputy Speaker Eric Bett